What's up everybody, welcome back to Valvetronic Designs and welcome to the 992 GT3 RS. This one being in a beautiful green and now has the world's best exhaust system on the car. Why don't you come over here, I'll show you. We do have in this video a set of shorty free flow headers, and then at the rear we do have our brand new F1 valve stainless steel exhaust system. The ethos behind this system was to pretty much take the RSR sound from our RSR setup that we offered and the valve package that we offered to have that valve flexibility and pretty much have one system that ticks all the boxes so that you can get in your GT3, have that RSR sound, but when you're on the highway cruising and you don't want to make too much noise, if you have a valve controller, you can click the valves and close them up, or if you have the stock valves like we do have in this video, you can put it back in normal mode and cruise around town like it is a bone stock GT3 RS. Also, as a quick note, this does fit the regular GT3s as well. It's not only for the RS. And additionally, throughout this video as well, we're going to showcase all of the different sound characteristics. We're going to do startup, revs, flybys, car accelerations. We're going to put a GoPro on the rear bumper, and you're going to get the good fortune of sitting inside the car with Nate and I to really showcase what is the true sound experience of what we've been able to develop with the 992 GT3 generation. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. This one's definitely going to be a lot more amped than what you may have seen on the other video where we had the stock headers on the car. This one definitely raises the notch up quite a bit, and I'm excited for you guys to hear it. Let's get to the sound. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we are inside the 992 GT3 RS. The valves open. Now we have those shorty headers on the car, and it really did open up this GT3. You guys may have seen the other video with the stock headers, and that gives you all the tone, that RSR tone that we're really looking for, but it does not give you as much volume. So inside the car right now, we're cruising around with the valves open in track mode. It's either open in sport or track with the factory valves. But it's not too bad, it's not too loud in here, but when we throw it into normal mode, it goes back in automatic. Right now cruising 6th gear, 2000 RPM, as someone would on the highway, and it sounds close to a bone stock GT3. Those little bottle mufflers out the rear actually do offer quite a bit of sound change, so for our F1 system, utilizing that technology, you really have the best of both worlds. But so right now cruising around, like I said, windows up, it's not overbearing, not too drony, and you'll hear up top once we get some more oil temperature that you really do get that RSR sound experience. So this is for the GT3 or GT3 RS owner who really does drive their car, enjoys it, wants that RSR sound, and wants to enjoy their car to the nth degree. Because you know what, at the end of the day, this does have no compromise now. Being able to throw these shorty headers at the car, throw our F1 valve rear section now, really giving the owner such a broad landscape of how the vehicle can now operate. You know, we can drive it through town like we are right now, the valves closed, 7th gear, not bothering anybody. But as soon as we get to this light up here and we open up the valves and we have some oil temperature, you guys are gonna hear what is truly the best sound experience for your GT3. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Not gonna do too much more talking in this video. I really just want you guys to enjoy what is truly the purest flat six sound. So enjoy. And that, everybody, is the ultimate 992 GT3/GT3 RS experience. Hopefully you guys did enjoy seeing it run up and down the airstrip. I know we had a lot of fun filming this video, but to truly showcase what is the perfect sound experience for that flat six really is something special. So if you're interested in getting one of these exhaust setups, the Valve F1 exhaust for your 992 GT3 or GT3 RS, please reach out to us at valvetronic.com. We have a live chat on the website where you can go in there and talk to real people, or we have a phone number where you can call and ask any question as well. I know that I certainly do love the sound, but you may not. So if this was a little too noisy for you and you wanted something a little bit more OEM plus, we do have a video right here on the stock headers paired to this exact same rear section with the same car, same environment, same day. So if you guys have any more questions, feel free to reach out at valvetronic.com. That being said, stay tuned for our next German car sound improvement project, where it might not be a Porsche, but it might be a BMW, and it might have something to do with the HFD, so stay tuned.